right, guys, Ask a Felon back with another rapid fire questions. Remember, hit that like, comment, subscribe. If everybody who watches this hits that subscribe button, I can reach my goal of 500 subscribers and go into details and tell you guys my whole story of how the Fugitive Task Force caught me, how I did my crimes, things for you to watch out for. But if you stick around till the end of this, I got a good question at the end and some tips for you. But y'all also have long form videos. If you go to my channel, check them out. Tells you a little bit. I'm on the start of my story about my life and what led to my addiction and what led me to the life I lived. With that being said, question number one, things I wish someone told me about addiction. I wish someone would have told me that it consumes your life completely, 100%. You won't want to work without once the addiction kicks in. If you don't have your medicine, you can either be a functioning addict or you can just be a full-blown addict that don't function and all you do is get high. I was a functioning addict, meaning I could get high, I could shoot up, I could smoke crack, and I could go to work still live a normal life, but being high during the whole time I'm doing it. I wish they would also told me about how bad the withdrawal feeling is if you ever try to get off of them, or how fast you can get addicted to something just by using it on a repetitive base for so long. Remember, guys, hit that like, comment, mainly hit that subscribe button so I can get into details about how I committed my crime. Question number two, why addicts keep going back? I'm not going to speak for all addicts, but for me, the reason I kept going back is because I was on the run for over 5 years. Another reason I kept going back is because I couldn't handle the withdrawal feeling. The withdrawal feeling is a combination of flu, stomach sickness, and absolutely feeling drained of energy where you have absolutely no motivation to get up whatsoever. Remember, guys, hit that like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I get up to 500 subscribers. I'm going into the deep details. Don't forget to check out my channel where I got the long form videos up too. Question number three, my addiction lesson. My addiction lesson is that it's not worth everything you eventually give up. You don't see what you're giving up during the addiction time as you're being an active addict, but you give up a lot. You give up your trust, your family's trust. You give up your friends' trust. You lose relationships. You lose jobs. You lose the respect of people. You get looked at totally different. It just all depends. It depends on what you're addicted to and what kind of addict you are. Are you a functioning addict, or are you just a full-blown addict that don't do nothing but that? But with that being said, guys, I got a tip for you from what I did when I used to be an addict. Keep your cars locked at all times, no matter where you're at, no matter how safe you think you are, because people target areas. And then if your car doors are unlocked, you're getting wiped out. But with that being said, remember, guys, hit that subscribe so I can go into deep details. Till next time, peace.